Today here at UTI, I wanted to bring out a few of the things that we do on a daily basis for our students and teaching them the finer aspects of being an airframe and power plant mechanic. Here behind me is one of our great training aids. This is a Cessna 210. What happens here is that we teach propellers. We can also teach recip engines, aircraft pressurization. This is one of the cornerstones of our program here at UTI. We also have Rolls-Royce turbine engines that we teach our students how to work on. We talk about the engine inlet, anti-ice systems that are on the inlet of it, the compressor section, which produces all of the power. Now, not only do we have aircraft and engines to work on, we can teach our students how to troubleshoot fuel systems on a turbine engine 6-cylinder aircraft. It goes all the way from the tank through all of the controls, indications, and then this right here actually demonstrates how that fuel looks as it's going into the cylinders of the engine. Next, we've got our main tank and then our two inner and outer tanks on each wing. We demonstrate on this how the pumps work, how all the switches, knobs, dials, indications work. We also can demonstrate increasing fuel flow and decreasing fuel flow. Right up here, this particular screen demonstrates exactly what it would look like in the cockpit. So now that we've seen some of the different training aids that we have to offer here at UTI, you can see that the students can actually come out and operate these trainers and learn about them hands-on as well. So that really helps out the students as far as the learning goes. Not only do they have the book work, but they also have the hands-on stuff to get them through the program.